Hi, I'm Chris Olander. What you're about to see is a short video that shows all the aspects of our power line clearing process. We hope it gives you a better understanding of what we do to keep power lines clear. While trees add significantly to the beauty of our communities, they are also responsible for costly property damage as well as dangerous power outages. In fact, tree branches and downed trees are by far the leading cause of outages we respond to here at Growing Power. A tree that grows into electrical conductors presents a potential hazard to you and the others in the community if it becomes energized or takes down a power line. Our primary objective in keeping power lines free from trees and branches is to prevent outages and electrical hazards. With over 5,000 miles of power lines, Growing Power needs to be consistently aggressive in our right-of-way clearing program. 5,000 miles is the equivalent of driving from Anchorage, Alaska to Miami, Florida. That's a lot of right-of-ways to clear and protect. Here you see an area that is badly in need of clearing in order to provide reliable power to the neighborhood. The trees have grown into and around the lines above. The first step in clearing uses a brush mower. The machine has large circulating blades and can cut brush and small diameter trees. Within a short period of time, this small tree area is cleared. Larger tree removal utilizes another type of machinery called a tree shear. The gripper attachment on this bobcat literally grabs trees, cuts them, and is maneuvered by the operator to carry the tree away from the power line. Our crewmen, armed with chainsaws, then trim the branches. Then, the bobcat operator carefully moves the tree to the side of the cleared right-of-way. This area shows where the large tree branches have grown over the power lines. Also note the RV parked in the right-of-way. Right-of-ways should be kept clear so utility workers can get to the power lines and so dangerous power lines that have a potential to be down during a storm don't damage anything in the right-of-way. In this case, workers trim the trees back with saws high above the ground in a bucket. Working closely to power lines is dangerous work and requires skill and constant caution. By removing the branches from these trees, there's no danger of the limbs getting heavy with snow and falling on the power lines, thereby causing an outage. The downed limbs are then put into a chipper and turned into wood chips. Here's an area just cleared by workers. That power line is safe from tree limbs and growth under and around it. In this particular case, we were able to leave a buffer on the roadway, but that's not always possible. This area is now ready for a herbicide application that prevents regrowth for many years. Once treated, we'll not have to come back to this area for maybe 7 to 10 years, and area residents will have reliable power. A follow-up application is done in the next year or two to ensure no regrowth of unwanted trees. The herbicide is similar to a weed control spray that you may use on your lawn. It's harmless to animals. In addition, although not harmful to aquatics, we do not spray where runoff or wetlands occur. Herbicides used are selective and encourage grasses to colonize. All herbicide applications are done by professionals licensed by the state of Minnesota. The operator only sprays when winds are calm and carefully directs the application exactly where he wants it. This area was treated about a week ago. Here's a place where we cleared only about 5 years ago. No herbicides were used here, and look at the growth. We'll have to bring crews back to this spot and clear again, a costly process. Here's an area that was cleared and treated with herbicide 6 to 8 weeks ago. As you can see, the plush ferns and foliage has returned, and we won't have to revisit this area for many, many years. We have well-trained tree trimmers and brushers who work effectively and efficiently to keep maintenance costs down and to give you reliable power. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. When you receive a letter from us that says we'll be in your area to clear power lines, we encourage you to call us if you have any questions. Or if you have special needs and would like an on-site visit, we encourage that as well. Just call our office and we'll arrange to meet you prior to clearing.